not coming off.
Is it not coming off?
No.
Oh, there's only a tiny bit left anyway.
I'm tempted to scratch off, but I don't want to.
Oh, it is stuck.
Do you want to have a go? Because I'm having no luck here.
You've got a snap on your arm. Lovely. It's stuck, isn't it? Just need
Goodness me.
That's a screwdriver in the car.
just get rid of the pins. But I don't want to come off.
There we go.
Beige, then.
Just a little bit now.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
That last bit.
Has he still got the hiccups? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it probably go down, can't you?
Got plenty of problem.
So clean it.
That'll do, I think, won't it?
He's all clean it, check between their legs.
Important to check in the little grooves there. He hasn't got anything there at the minute, but they can get little sore bits,
okay.
but that's fine. We'll swap it for a nice clean one, shall we, little man?
Big one down. Big one down.
So that way's the bit that goes at
Oh
the
yeah,
back.
sorry, I'm shooting there.
No,
Right.
that's right. Lovely.
Bit higher or?
No, that's perfect. Also, because he's still got his cord clamp on there, it's quite comfortable for them.
Oh, cylinders, isn't it?
Yeah. To just cut a bit of gauze and pop it over it so the clamp doesn't go into his skin or anything.
On what trolley? On the stand, on the cushion on. We probably could.
Stick that one over the top. That won't be long until that comes off now, I don't think.
Okay.
It was quite crusty.
It looks a bit.
There, and that's literally just so it doesn't rub his skin.
Okay.
Lovely, there we go.
He's such a fidget.
He is a fidget.
And I got told to fold these back. Is that
Yeah.
still the case? Yeah.
Yeah, if you fold it about there,
Yeah. No way.
then it's.
It doesn't rub, it doesn't get
There we
cool.
go.
Yeah.
It's starting to look more of a child baby's
Yeah,
colour
that's
now,
what I'm
isn't it?
thinking.
It's not a lobster so much anymore.
And then with all of these, just tend to tuck them under one of the tabs,
yeah, okay.
just for tidiness, really. No other reason.
Cool.
Yeah.
Smashing.
So it's nappy, and then on every time we just change this over as well.
Right. Okay.
So they can go on their feet, on their ankles, hands, but obviously not that one, and around their wrists. And that's just, if they get left for too long in one place, they can cause bands.
Right.
Very, very rarely.
Okay.
But we just change them with every care so that doesn't happen. So
So
pop
is it
it
just
on.
the red light on the?
Yeah, so your red
Red,
light,
yeah.
you've got two bits there, so you pop your red light at the top and then that bit round the bottom, and then it literally just wraps around. And
Is there any
that's
reason
that.
for the light, or just to show that it's on?
It looks through and it bounces off the red cells to tell us how much oxygen is going round.
Right. Okay. Okay.
And that's that.
Sweet. Okay. Okay.
See? Natural.
Well, getting there.
So is there nothing to worry about? Because obviously sometimes heart rate goes up to like 200 sometimes. Is that nothing to worry about then?
Because
I've noticed that a few times.
one thing, it could be that the leads aren't picking up properly, because when they hiccup, when they move,
Right, okay.
they pick up other things. So
Yeah.
it could be that.
Right.
If he's really, really upset, his heart rate will go up. So unless we're worried, don't be worried. And when they're so small, their heart rates are a lot higher than what
Yeah.
ours would be.
Yeah. No, it's just obviously because when he was in me, trying to get his heart, it was a nightmare because he moved that much.
Yeah.
And that's part of the reason why he came out so early, because they weren't sure if it was because he was moving or because he was just dropping.
Yeah.
But sometimes it was the case of both.
Right.
So it's about having movement.
Mikey.
Yes.
How would you like him? Do you want him skin to skin or do you want him in a blanket?
Whoa, will that affect him? A bit of a...
No?
Whatever?